Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do the July unboxing of BoxyCharm box. So let's get started. Okay, this is the first time I've seen it. I've seen some sneak peeks. We have $10 at Ulta Skin Bar and our list of goodies in the box today. We have Alamar Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, Butter London, Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette, Luxie 3-piece brush set, I've been waiting for that, Alamar Cosmetics Lip Gloss, Des-Nude-As Lip Appeal Gel Liner. So I will link in the description box all the names of everything and the MSRP value. So $21 for the box every month, and usually around over $100 worth of products, $100 to $130 worth of full-size products for 5 products. So this is what it looks like, and let's get started. Alamar, the first one is Alamar Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Probably gonna try to open it, and then if it's covered, yes, which it's covered, so I'm not going to swatch it right now because it's a mask. Avocado and broccoli seed oils, twice a week. Apply twice a week, slight tingling, and remove after 10 minutes with a dark cloth. Oh, I've been waiting for these. Gonna do these use these in my makeup class. I'm gonna use them in my test that I have going on. Brushes include, let's see, Luxie, Gaea, Unleash Your True Beauty by Being Kind to the Earth. Recycle the package. Recycle packaging. Brushes include Luxie 250 Large Eye Blending, Luxie 246 Precision Crease, Luxie 510 Foundation. Woo! Let's check them out. I have been seeing some sneak peeks on other people's Instagrams. Shake, 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 shake it out. Where's the other one? Oh, okay. It's stuck in there. There we go. There we go. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at this. They feel like wood. They're like a pink, blush pink wood. This is the Luxie 510 foundation brush. Feels really soft. Yeah, so that's the foundation. It's more of a flat tip. We have the large eye blending brush, fluffy brush, nice fluffy brush. That is number Luxie 250, large eye blending. Definitely going to be using these for my makeup test. And Luxie 246 Precision Crease right here. So this one is it's definitely like a flatter, the flat kind, so we could use that in the crease of your eye. I'm gonna put them all together at the end also. And let's see, oh, I've been waiting for this. Let's see what we got. Butter London. Okay, I'm definitely gonna be using this. Such a pretty packaging too. Nice small. Ooh, okay. Natural Goddess palette. I really love the colors on here. We have Enchantress, Queen, Star, Diva, Temptress, and Femme Fatale. So, it looks like 4 sparkly shades and 2 matte shades with a little mirror right there. Mirror. So I really love this. It almost feels like wood. It looks like wood, and it almost feels like wood, but it's not. So pretty, so pretty. I'm so excited about those guys. And Alamar, next one, Alamar Cosmetics. I think this is a lip gloss right here. Des-Nude-As lip gloss. A long-lasting formula. High shine, full pigmentation, wear alone, or over our new lip liners. And check it out. So that's what it looks like. I was gonna swatch it, but I'm actually going to a wedding today, so I'll swatch a tiny bit right here. So you can see the color. Ooh, pretty, pretty. Kind of like a nude, but like a brown tan shade. I'm gonna move the box so you guys can see it better. The packaging is also really pretty. It's actually just like the color inside is like the color on this tube. Alamar Cosmetics. And it says here, Coqueta. 086 is Coqueta is the name of the shade. Here's our last guy. Appeal Gel Liner in Forest Green. It's actually all wrapped up, so I'm not going to unwrap it right now because that will take too long. I think what I might do is do a video using different products from all of the boxes that I've gotten in the last couple of months. Then I'll do like a makeup tutorial / look for you guys using all the Boxy Charm products. Not all of them, but the ones that I pick out from each of the boxes to do a whole look. And I think that's it. Let me line them up for you guys. That way you can see them. There we go. So here's our five products. Just to wrap it up, the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, the Luxie Gaea brushes, you get 3 in a set, the Butter London eye palette, very pretty shades, gorgeous shades actually. I like the more muted and shimmery colors, so definitely gonna try this. And the Alamar Cosmetics lip gloss in Coqueta, the shade Coqueta, and the Appeal Gel Liner in Forest Green. I'm gonna link this little $10 off at the skin bar for you guys. At the bottom, this also says you can do line and define your eyes or lips, so you could use this for both lips and eyes, which is awesome. Okay, and that's it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like and subscribe in the description box below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.